Hi, good day to everyone. So for this video, I would like to brief you about your group assignment submission. So if you remember, I did show you how pamphlets looks like, right? It must be in a certain size, if you remember. So I would like to brief you on pamphlet and also Skype presentation. Okay, what is pamphlet is about? If you remember, the topic that I informed you in class is interesting place in Malaysia. Only choose one place. You can do about Sultan Abdul Samad Building, Dataran Merdeka. You can also do about KLCC. And the submission for pamphlet is via online. Everything in soft copy. No need to print. No need to go to the research site. Just need to do from your home. Okay. How to submit? You need to go to topic melancong or travel and then click under exercise and class activity section. You will find submission of pamphlet 20%. Click on the title and submit your pamphlet. Only representative need to do, not all. Only one of you. Please assign one, maybe the group leader. Just a reminder to you, before you start doing your work, you need to make sure your setting of paper is A3 size. So your font and your picture is going to be more sharp. Okay. Any platform that you want to use is up to you. You can use Canva, you can use Photoshop, you can use AI if you want to. You can use PowerPoint also. But make sure before you submit, you need to convert your pamphlet in JPEG or PDF. Also can also in PNG. I will evaluate your pamphlet submission via times. I will grade via time also. And please remember that the maximum mark for pamphlet is 20%. Okay. So what you need to do next? Next is presentation the pamphlet. Okay. How to present? I know some of you, maybe you are in Korea, maybe you are in Bangladesh or Pakistan. So for presentation, I would like to do in via Skype presentation. Okay, you need to choose which slot that you want. For 2nd April 2020, I already scheduled 4 presentation, and also on 3rd April another 5 because we have 9 group. Okay. Please make sure your presentation must be delivered in Bahasa Melayu, also your pamphlet. And if you don't have any Skype account, please do one. And the slot, you can find the link on Times under Melancong or Travel topic. Each group will be given 20 minutes to present their pamphlet. All group members need to present. Okay, no exception. Okay, here is your group list. Just to remind, you have 9 group. Each group have 2 or 3%. Okay, 2 or 3%. So please work with your group. Don't change your group. Please contact your member. I believe some of you still in Malaysia, and you have internet, of course, to surf website. Maybe for the restaurant that you want, maybe for the KLCC. Please make sure that all the written and also presentation must be delivered in Bahasa Melayu. Okay, stay safe. See you next week. Hope to receive your pamphlet early before your presentation. Okay, good day. Bye.